Hi all, so today's video we will talk about how to deal with the 90 days notice period. I think we are in the IT people more already facing this issues in our career, because when we are switching the one company to another company, maybe your notice period will be 90 days. Somehow some companies will provide the 60 days of notice period. So today's I will talk about these kind of concept, how we can deal with the HR and how to talk with the HR, because definitely we need to want the offer, because we must that much of effort we implemented to crack an interview and all, right? So when you cracking the interview itself, the first thing you need to make an impression from the technical recruiters or technical manager or leader, because if you get such kind of impression to them, what will happen, they are talked with the HR and this is the client, this is the candidate is good and he is very good or she is very good in the particular technology, so I need he or she in our team. So if the technical recruiter or managers will tell like HR, if you have a 90 days notice period, they will not be an issue. Normally most of the service based companies are, I think previously it was 60 days, now it will become 90 days of notice period. So what happened if the 90 days of notice period, there's a chances of recruiters filtering your profile will be less as compared to 60 days or 45 days. But if you come into the product based companies, they will be more prioritizing in the 60 days joiners or 45 days joiners or immediate joiners. Depends upon the days you want to join. Within the days you want to join, the chances of your package will be higher, because maybe you will be getting the counter offers, you can tackle it, and with the help of that offers you can negotiate with the HR. So that is the normal process in the IT industry we are doing. And coming to other point, like if you're serving in 90 days, for example, you can set a 90 days notice period in the Naukri or LinkedIn, the chances of getting the call will be less. So that time what you can do, you can mention the 90 days to 60 days. So there is some companies, most of the companies are providing the buyout option, or if you are releasing from the one project or something, or you are staying currently in the bench, you can easily talk with your HR and get an immediate release from the company itself. So that is a good opportunity. So in the other ways, when you're talking about, these are the two cases, easily we can jump from the current company to and we can talk about HR and get an offer letter, because when you talk about the HR, this is a mandatory thing. They clarify the 90 days of notice period, then only they will release the offer. So that is another concern. So that time you can mention like official notice period is 90 days, but there is an option to the buyout option is also available. If you are okay, I will talk with, I already talked with the HR. So these kind of things you can mention there. And if you have a 90 days of 60 days of notice, because first offer, cracking the first offer will be a difficult part. Once you crack one interview, there will be chances of getting the interviews will be high. Why? Because you already aware about all the question, or you studied about all the things what they are asking in the interview. So that point of time only you will get your first offer. Once you crack your first offer, it is easy to getting the interview calls and getting the offers also very easy, because you have already an offer letter, you are serving in notice period. So recruiters have know definitely this man already resigned from this company, the chances of joining in our company will be 90 or 95%, because already resigned from the current company. There is definitely they will be look for an out opportunity. So that is the key point. So prepare for the first round of first offers, then grab it, then discuss with the HR. These are the things are available. Maybe you can mention buyout option. Here is the point, the impression from the technical manager is important, because when you're talking about the HR will be discussed about the technical manager. Ma'am or sir, this is the 90 days of notice period he mentioned in the offer letter, but what I can do. So that time the technical manager will tell like the candidate has a good idea or the good knowledge in the particular stack, and I need he or she into my team. Definitely you can allow the 90 days. So that is the cases you will get the 90 days of notice period. It will not an issue. Otherwise you can convince the HR, this is the buyout option is available. This kind of thing you can convince, talk nicely and convince them, then you can grab the first offer letter. So once you get the first offer letter, definitely one thing you definitely do in the portal. What is that? You need to every day you need to update your Naukri portal, then only you will get the upcoming offer, because definitely you need to 45 days, 44 days, 43 days, then you will get the chance of getting the offer letter will be high. So that is another point. So I think I hope you're clear. Thank you.